Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
The Misters of Filipinas Lipa City 2024 candidates recently made a striking impression in their first official swimwear photoshoot, and this event marks an essential milestone in their journey as they showcase not only their physical fitness but also their confidence and poise, qualities that are crucial in the world of pageantry. In this initial swimwear round, the candidates displayed their sculpted physiques, honed through rigorous training and disciplined lifestyle choices. The setting, likely a blend of tropical or resort-inspired elements, complemented their looks, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the shoot. Each candidate brought their unique charisma and personal style to the forefront, making the competition even more exciting. The swimwear segment is more than just a showcase of physical form, it is a test of self-assurance and stage presence. And the candidate's ability to command attention and project a sense of ease in such a revealing outfit speaks volumes about their readiness for the upcoming challenges in the competition. The diverse background and personalities of these candidates add to the intrigue as each brings something different to the table, whether it is a background in sports, modeling, or other fields. Their dedication is evident not only in their toned bodies but also in their way they carry themselves with a blend of elegance and vigor. As the competition progresses, these candidates will undoubtedly continue to push their limits, striving to stand out in every aspect of the contest. And the swimwear photoshoot serve as a compelling teaser of what's to come, promising an exciting and fiercely contested journey to the title of Mr. Filipinas Lipa City 2024. The second annual Misters of Filipinas Lipa is set to take place on August 31st at the prestigious Claro M. Recto Event Center, and this highly anticipated event will bring together the finest gentlemen from Lipa City and beyond. As they compete for the coveted title, the evening promises to be the grand celebration of talent, charisma, and physical fitness, with each candidate showcasing their best in various segments, including swimwear, formal wear, and Q&A. And this event not only highlights the candidates' potential, but also celebrates the cultural and communal spirit of Lipa City.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!